Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get immunity on Dress to Impress Style Showdown game mode. So sometimes it's like in the lobby, so just look around for this like Lana looking statue. You'll see that it's out of place. If you can't find it, it could also be in the like dressing room area. Like either the dressing rooms or the lobby, that's where it will be. If you still can't find it and you really want immunity, you can purchase the idol by pressing that. It is 99 Robux for I think one save of a round. I don't think it's worth it. You can absolutely do that if you like to, but I don't think it's worth it. So I think just find the like free immunity. Just search around the like area or the lobby and you'll be able to find the Lana like statue. So I'm gonna just look around and see if they have it so I can show you guys. It's not in every round, that's why I can't always show it. Sometimes it's like in the makeup area, sometimes it's here, sometimes it's where it's placed like somewhere like near the windows and stuff like that. But that is it. Unfortunately, I cannot show you on this run, but it's just a Lana small statue that's like a little bit fiery. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.